Hi, I'm Mona from Change Capability, and today I've got with me our executive coaching conversation cards. So before I go into some practical strategies on how you could use these cards, I wanted to go into the importance of why we created these cards, why we think your role as a leader, as a senior leader, so whether you're an executive, maybe you're a business owner, maybe you're a senior leader who makes a lot of decisions and has a lot of influence in your team and in your business. But culture starts at the top. People look for leaders, for cues on what is valued and what is rewarded. So executives who model openness, integrity, inclusivity, create environments where people feel psychologically safe, they feel engaged, they feel motivated, and of course this leads to higher productivity. Belonging, so leaders who create belonging fuels engagement. A strong sense of belonging leads to higher productivity, higher retention. So a study found that 50% of the reason why people leave their team is because of a lack of belonging. Thirdly, performance is reflection of leadership. If you're seeing low performance or low performance behaviors, this is directly role modeled by the leadership team somewhere down the track. So high performing teams don't just happen, they thrive under clear direction, a shared purpose, and trust. So all of these are directly influenced by senior leaders, and in most hierarchical organizations, that is from the top. So of course we can role model these behaviors as team members and colleagues, and as leaders it's even more critical because you are constantly making decisions that impact so many people in your team and in your business. So we know that great leadership and the high performance behavior starts with reflection, and these coaching card decks help and support leaders to think critically and to make better decisions to elevate your impact. So here's 3 powerful ways that we recommend or suggest that you can use these cards. The first one is as a leadership development gift. So you can gift these cards to emerging leaders, or as people stepping into a leadership role for the first time within your business, even if they've been a leader somewhere else. It's a really practical tool that sets the scene for your expectations of your leaders and helps them to sharpen their decision-making processes and how they build a high-performing team. Secondly, you can use them in one-on-one coaching and mentoring with your leaders. So if you're the CEO, you're the business owner, or you're a leader of leaders, you can use these to prompt thought and reflection. So for example, we've got how can you balance achieving measurable outcomes while fostering collaboration in the process. So the focus is on having measurable outcomes, but also collaboration in the process. So if you're stuck for questions to ask your team, there's even themes at the top. So for example, we've got this theme covers collaboration. This theme covers connection. Or we've got joy. What brings you the most joy in your work, and how can you inspire others to find theirs? So we know joy creates a happier workplace, which leads to higher productivity. The third way you can use these is self-reflection. So again, self-role modeling of leadership behaviors really influences the people around you, and role modeling is one of the biggest influences of behavior change. So if you're trying to influence change and transformation in your team or your workplace, personal reflection on the questions in these cards can really help you to role model that. So a question a day can shift perspectives and really improve leadership and strengthen leadership agility. We hope you enjoy using these executive coaching conversations and senior leadership conversation guides, and thank you.